You know what? I think it's time for me to break up with that barista from Starbucks. Because I learned how to make this amazing foamy coffee. And I'm gonna show you how to make it also. To get a coffee cloud, you need to whip instant coffee with water and sugar. You can either use a mixer, but come on, we all know machines don't cook food. People cook food. So I'm gonna give it a whisk until my hand falls off or until it forms stiff peaks like this. After a few minutes of mixing, our coffee cloud is ready. Okay, so that's pretty much about it. We'll serve it over iced milk or water, spoon the cloud on top, mix up and enjoy. A variation on the original is with matcha powder. You already know the drill, but instead of using water, we'll be using pasteurized egg whites, because in this case, matcha powder does not have those proteins that coffee does. So, by mixing the egg whites with the sugar, whisk until stiff peaks, then add the matcha powder, whisk again, and that's it. The magic with this one is that you can torch the green cloud and give it more of a marshmallowy taste. Okay, let's see. The foam has caramelly notes that have a really nice kick. And the combination with iced milk, I have one word, 3 syllabi, perfection. Oh, that reminds me of something. And that's a wrap. You guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed spending time with me, subscribe to the channel and I will see you next time.